wrapping it just like you would a present and using the glue. Then I used the last vinyl liner to wrap the other half of the bin. So in the end, we have wrapped the entire bin. Next, I glued the two long sides of the bins together. The next ribbon I fold in half and I cut upwards to make a design at the bottom of the ribbon, and then I wrap that ribbon around the present and tie it. I cut 5 pieces of 12-inch ribbon and put it into a loop and glued the loop. Next, I bunched the 5 ribbons together and I tied it with a tinsel stem. You can also take a little piece of ribbon and glue it over the middle of the section to hide the tinsel stem. After that, I glued it to the top of the present and I added the floral as the decor. Comment below and let me know if you think this looks easier than doing it with the wire racks. And also, remember, if you're not a subscriber and you want to see more of my videos, don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching. Bye.